To install more apps for your kids in the Kids app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Kids app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, tap more apps for kids, enter your current screen lock or you can use your biometric. Here you can see the list of apps available for your kids. Select the required app. Tap install button to start installing the selected app. Once the installation progress is done, tap open to open the app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.